Hello everyone, and welcome to the workshop and the workshop vlog. So everyone, it's that time of year again. We're all starting to celebrate good old Christmas. So this is going to be my last workshop vlog before Christmas and New Year. So a really big thank you to all my existing subscribers and hopefully to all the new subscribers for the future. I hope you all have a really great Christmas and a really great happy New Year from myself and all my family. Just a quick message for all of you about a couple of things that I've upgraded in the workshop today. As you can see, I've got a bit of a, well, you can't see it, let's move you up a little bit. So up here I've got an LED panel light. Now, if you remember, if you've watched my vlogs from the old workshop, the little workshop, you'll remember I had these up in the workshop from IKEA, these little LED spotlights that I was using in there, which worked really great in the small workshop. In the big workshop, not quite so good. Okay for putting on machines, straight down at a machine and using it on the machine whilst I'm using it in the machine, but for a general light for everywhere, not quite bright enough for me, I'm afraid. Maybe the old eyes are getting a bit tired. So I've been hunting around to try and find a light, and I've found these LED panel lights. You can get them off of eBay, Amazon. I got this one from B&Q, which was £38, and it came with the transformer. Didn't come with any fixings like chains or whatever some of them come with, so I just made my own fixing with some MDF panel, made a frame for it to fit in, and then wired it all in. And it was just done as a test, and hopefully I'm going to have another one over there, and the excellent light it gives out onto the bench, and I'll just go and turn it on and turn it off, and then you can see how it goes. So that's with the spotlights on. You can see how dull it is at the moment, and then with the LED panel light. So it's a great thing for this, and so yeah, we'll be getting another one, at least another one of those, and it's a lot cheaper than the spotlights, to be honest, which I was really surprised about. Excuse me while I have a drink, because it's a bit cold in here. So another thing I've done, and I'll just show you, take you about and have you a little show of what's going on in the workshop. We had these used to be wardrobes in one of our bedrooms. They were no longer needed, so I've put them up in the workshop as a wood storage area. And as you can see, I've got these wire baskets which slide in like shelves, and I've put all my square stock and round stock in there, and these are IKEA wardrobes and baskets. The baskets are £5 each. No idea how much the wardrobe was now. So that's really good. It's made, you know, it's allowed me to have a bit more space in the workshop and able to sort things out. So another thing that I've recently acquired, which was a birthday present from my wife, was a Robert Sorby spiraling tool for my wood turning. So that will be used in the future on some projects. Another thing I've done is I've made myself a nice mallet. Hadn't made one before, decided to make it for myself. I haven't put any oil on it. Made the handle. Lovely, it really works quite nice. Nice bit of weight to it for when you're using your chisels. In what was the old workshop, the small workshop, hopefully you may be able to see what's in there. It's a bit dark, I'm afraid. Yeah, it's not very good. I've got a whole load of tongue and groove, pallet wood, shiplap wood, which is going to be the basis of the walls in the workshop. Once I've got them insulated, then I'm going to panel them with all that wood that I've acquired through various means. That's all going to be used for paneling in the workshop, and hopefully I'm going to get that done after Christmas, New Year time, and get that all sorted, and then start putting some French cleats on the walls and getting my tools hung onto the French cleats, which will hopefully all get some more space and get them out from underneath the bench and everything. So just looking around to make sure I've had everything. That's about it, to be honest. So with no further ado, everyone, I really hope you all have a good Merry Christmas, literally, if you're that way inclined, and a really good Happy New Year. So that's it from me now, guys, and I'll see you all in the new year. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for subscribing. Bye bye, guys.